When will they be here?
According to Colin, in 5 minutes. I found her on Instagram. Let me see. That's her.
Oh. She's pretty. Take a look. Finally.
Hey everyone, I want you all to meet my girlfriend Lexi.
Hi, Lexi. I'm Aiden.
Hi, Aiden. Nice to meet you.
I'm Colin's mother.
I'm so happy to finally meet you. Colin has told me great things about you.
I don't mean to be rude, but is all of your family this tall?
Well, both of my parents are shorter than me, but my grandpa was very tall, so I guess I get the tall gene from him.
What a shame. You're so unlucky. Can't even imagine how upsetting it must have been for parents to realize that you are gonna be this tall.
Wow.
No, actually, I kinda like being tall, and my parents are okay with it too, so...
Okay, Lexi, this is my dad and my sister Jody.
Nice to meet you.
So, why don't we go eat? Otherwise, food will get cold.